Well, this is the beautiful town of Cetara along the Amalfi Coast, and here they're known for their anchovies. At Acqua Pazza, Gennaro and I get cooking and prepare a few dishes using anchovies and, of course, colatura. So this is Parmigiana all'Acqua Pazza. Your style, okay, so...
Prima cosa dobbiamo fare le zucchine.
So Gennaro's using a mandolin, so you get nice thin slices of zucchini. So we're gonna do a quick sauce now using your tomatoes. So aglio, schiaccio, and then inside the olive oil. Okay, a little bit of chili pepper. Okay, and then San Marzano, pomodori. Okay, beautiful. So our tomato sauce, I've just given a quick crush, a little bit of garlic, olive oil, and some basilico, basil, basta. Then it's all about using the local anchovies. Now to clean anchovies, you rip the heads off, you open up the body and remove the spine. Our anchovies are cleaned, our zucchini are thinly sliced, and now they're ready for the fryer. Now you just want to fry your zucchini and your anchovies till they're slightly golden. And the anchovies, because it's a white, soft, sweet meat, it's cooked in no time.
Dobbiamo tagliare solo la mozzarella.
Aspetta, aspetta. You always have to try the ingredients.
Dai, insieme. Dai. Mangia, mangia, è buonissimo. Cina allora.
Cina.
Buona, fatta. Mamma mia.
So thin slices of fior di latte, thin layers of our fried zucchini. So this is, of course, isn't the Parmigiana di melanzane or the Parmigiana with eggplant. This is with zucchini and the fresh anchovies that come right here in Cetara. And mo?
Mo mettiamo la mozzarella.
Okay, now fior di latte.
Il fior di latte.
Okay, some Parmigiano, a little bit of basilico or basil, just to give it that nice fresh hit.
Poi iniziamo ad arrotolare.
Gennaro rolls up the zucchini, the anchovies, and the mozzarella and creates a nice little Parmigiana. And then in the oven it goes for about 7-8 minutes until the fior di latte melts and it becomes nice and golden. The sauce is ready.
Ma la colatura dobbiamo mettere.
So, now no salt, just a little bit of colatura or anchovy fish sauce. Well, what I love about Acqua Pazza here in Cetara is their approach to their recipes. In the kitchen, Gennaro doesn't really use salt. He uses little drops of colatura or that fish sauce to give that nice salty hit. It adds an extra flavor profile to a simple dish. Now on a plate, I add that beautiful rich tomato sauce and then add the Parmigiana right on top. Now to finish the dish, Gennaro adds a little bit of Parmigiano ice cream, which is just grated Parmigiano cooked with cream, and then it's chilled in the fridge for a few hours. And now a little hit of basilico, and now a little hit of colatura.
Ci vuole, dai. Mettiamola.
You know, it's amazing because it looks elegant and complicated, but a couple of steps, fatto, basta. Grande, grazie. No, grazie.